Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you probably saw in a couple videos ago, we did an appraisal on the Model 3 and Carvana was the winner. So we're actually going to do a quick video on the process of selling your car, or at least the Tesla Model 3, to Carvana and give you an idea of that whole process, how long it takes and all the steps. So here's that email that we had in the last video, view offer. So we're going to click right there, see all the things it's going to ask us for. I'm sure there's going to be pictures and VINs and mileage, all that fun stuff. So let's see, expires on the 4th, so today is actually the 2nd, so we got to get this going. So yeah guys, I do owe more than what they're offering. Negative equity, unfortunately, because this thing just depreciated like crazy for 1 year. So from what I've heard, I think they'll end up asking for a cashier's check. There might be another way to pay that when they pick the car up. So let's continue on here. Let's save and continue, I suppose. Alright, here's the next steps. Getting started. State. I think it's actually 28. We're gonna just put 5 just to be safe there. 28, 5. We'll do next. I must already put that in there. I had my bank. Sell. Next. Alright, so looks like basically they want a photo of the odometer and photo ID, so we'll get those two things uploaded here, and then it looks like schedule an appointment. Alright guys, so got those documents uploaded here. It says we'll review within a few hours. If we have any questions, I'll let you know. So we're going to hit next. Thinks I want a Corvette. I've already got one of those things anyway. We'll skip for now. So we'll see what they come back with after verifying ownership, if they ask for other things to upload, or if we just go on to schedule the pickup. Okay guys, so this is the email that I got here about 10 minutes after submitting the original documentation they asked for. Since we have negative equity, this is their next step. They need to have a photo of a cashier's check for this amount. So we're gonna have to go to the bank, get a cashier's check for that amount, get pictures taken, upload those images, and then we'll see where we go from there. So that's our next steps. Alright guys, so I got an email here on Sunday from Carvana. Says we successfully reviewed and approved all of your documents. The next step is the cashier's check, so I did go to the bank and get a cashier's check for that amount and made it payable to Carvana. I did end up putting it a memo just saying that it was for my car, Tesla payoff, and the VIN number just in case, so that would help them know what it's supposed to be going towards. But the next step is upload check images. So we're gonna do that and then see if it'll let us schedule a pickup time. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and upload a registration photo and my 10-day loan payoff PDF as well. And then hopefully they will have everything they need and we'll be able to schedule an appointment. Alright guys, that went pretty quick after I uploaded those pictures of the negative equity check. Got an email ready to schedule your appointment. So let's click on that and schedule an appointment. Put in the zip. We'll blur this out, but I'll type it all in here. Next. So here are our days that we can choose. So what day should we have them pick it up? Well, let's go with Saturday the 9th. And we'll do in the morning. And we'll next it. Phone number is in. Schedule pickup, guys. In just case you're wondering, you can continue to drive your car. I did check with them. After they accept your odometer reading, you have up to 1,000 miles you can drive the car while you're waiting for them to pick up the car. So just stay under 1,000 miles and you'll be good on that. So you don't have to find another vehicle right away. You can still drive that car. So here is their info, picking up the car. I must give them the check, both keys. There is no charging cable, so you won't get that. Reset, I gotta do that. Reset all those settings back to factory in my phone app and on the car. Move the license plate, personal items, all that good stuff. So right there, they're going to take the check and initiate the payoff of my loan. So we will make sure all of that gets paid off before we post this video up for you guys. But we'll take some video footage when they do come to pick it up, and hopefully it goes smooth. So there was this thing at the top here. It said sign your documents. So we're going to hit start and see if it lets me sign stuff now before they come. So we're going to go through and sign all that paperwork, guys. Has a lot of personal information, so we won't show you that. But basically it's signing over the title and all that power of attorney stuff to them so they can get the title over to them. So I'll just fill all that out and then we should be good for pickup. Well guys, Carvana is here to pick up the car. his trailer's around the corner, so I don't even get to show you his trailer, but he's doing all the check-in procedures, checking it out, getting the VIN number and all that. So we're gonna let him take the car, and then I'll report back to you what happened on this whole fiasco. It was quite the drama of getting this thing sold. So all right, guys, we sold the Model 3 to Carvana. They said it would take about 5 to 7 business days to see a payoff for my loan, and it's on day 6 now, and it was actually paid off today. So you can expect that kind of a 5 to 7 business day window for a payoff. I didn't get any good videos of them actually picking up the car. We had a little snafu with the whole Tesla resetting process. You're supposed to reset your Tesla before you sell it. Well, with the free self-driving trials that they've been handing out to everyone, you cannot do a factory reset on your car when it has an outstanding free trial, which was a pain. So walked through clearing out as much stuff as I could manually, and then I left the key cards in the car, assuming that the Carvana guy was actually going to be here in an hour or so to pick up the car. And the car decided to lock itself, and this was after I erased my account from the app and everything, so I could no longer get into the car. So I had to get Tesla on the line, called them up, had to add the car back to my account, and then it let me set up phone as a key from being outside the car. Luckily, was able to unlock the car, get the key cards out, and this was all while the Carvana guy was standing here waiting. So he was here an extra half hour longer than he wanted to be, but we got everything squared away. I think overall the Carvana selling experience was pretty straightforward. I didn't encounter any issues, so I was pretty pleased with the whole process, and they were the best value offer that I could find. So if you haven't already watched my offer video, I'll have a link to that down below. That's just CarMax, Tesla, Cars.com, and Carvana, different values that they offered. But we'll have a few more videos coming out here of the new Tesla we picked up, the Model S Plaid. So appreciate you guys tuning in, and thanks for watching.